Today I'm diving into 5 unique and untapped ways to make money using technology in 2024. These aren't your run-of-the-mill side gigs, folks, these are hidden gems in the tech world. Let's jump right in. First up, AI-powered voice generation. Imagine using AI tools like 11 Labs to create high-quality voiceovers. You can sell these on freelance platforms or to indie game developers. 11 Labs can produce over 120 custom voices across 29 languages and 50 accents. It's a game changer for content creators and freelancers alike. Next, renting out tech gadgets. Got a drone, camera, or VR headset collecting dust? Platforms like Fat Llama let you rent out your gear for passive income. It's the sharing economy at its finest. Just make sure to set clear terms to protect your assets. Third, automation as a service. Learn tools like Zapier or Integromat and offer automation solutions to small businesses. You'll be saving them time and money, and in return you get paid. Focus on specific niches for maximum impact and build a solid portfolio to attract more clients. Moving on to virtual real estate. Platforms like Decentraland and Sandbox let you buy, rent, or sell properties in the Metaverse. It's a booming trend with creative and economic opportunities. Think of it like buying land in a video game, but with real-world value. Prime locations are scarce, making them valuable investments. Finally, digital collectibles arbitrage. Flip rare digital items from games like Roblox and Fortnite for profit. Do your market research, understand game economies, and engage with gaming communities. Building a reputation as a trustworthy trader can lead to lucrative opportunities. So there you have it, folks. 5 unique ways to make money using technology in 2024. Explore these hidden gems and start your journey toward new income streams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.